How to find coupon codes on Temu as an existing user, 2025. Looking to save big on Temu even after your first purchase? Here's how existing users can still unlock coupon codes and discounts in 2025. 1. Reissue and use in-app discount codes on Reddit. Temu users share tips like using commands in the app's chatbot, such as reissue coupon or active promotions, to unlock new discounts. One user explained, open quote, "You can keep reissuing coupons. I just saved an extra $30 on my order." Close quote. These in-app tools are legitimate and usually reset after about 60 days. 2. Play Temu's built-in mini-games. According to recent guides, games like Fishland and Farmland inside the Temu app can reward you with credits and special coupon codes. Open the app and look for mini-game icons. Play regularly and check your in-app wallet for new codes. 3. Check promotions on the app's homepage. Temu frequently features banners or pop-ups announcing promotions. Some are exclusive to existing users. Keep an eye out for flash sales, seasonal deals, app-only discounts. Head 4. Join discount tracking communities. Websites like Simply Codes track real-time coupon codes for Temu, including those that work for existing users. There are often site-wide codes, like $200 off. You can also find single-use codes shared by community members. Search for. 5. Follow Temu and influencers on social platforms. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube often list Temu codes for current users. Influencers sometimes share exclusive or app-only deals. Just make sure they're from trusted creators. Recap. Ways for existing users to save. Method. What to do? There was just you. In-app commands. Try reissue coupon or active promotions. Mini games. Play Fishland and Farmland for coupon rewards. Homepage promotions. Check banners pop-ups for app deals. Coupon tracking sites. Use services like Simply Codes for live discount codes. Social media and influencers. Follow trusted creators for exclusive promo links. These methods are fully aligned with Temu's policies and will help you continue saving legally and effectively. Would you like this script trimmed into a quick YouTube Shorts version or translated into Hindi or Urdu? Let me know.